Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Before we get started, all the links for my socials are down below. So Twitch is where I live trade Monday to Friday, New York session. So I start my stream 1 hour before New York session starts. So that is 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime, whatever that is in your local time. YouTube, if you like the content, if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe, help me grow. And if you have any ideas for any of the videos or anything like that you guys want to see, then leave them in the comments. Twitter and also TikTok is where I just upload some small videos, analysis videos, trade breakdown videos, just content on Forex overall. And obviously Twitter is my main social where I post when I'm going live, when I'm entering a trade, things like that. A lot of that stuff is on the Twitter if you guys want to. It's probably the best way to get in contact with me or keep up to date when I'm streaming and things like that. So go follow those. And let's get into it. So yesterday I didn't upload any content. Just been very busy. My family's just come back from the UK and I've been spending a lot of time with them. I haven't seen them in like 3 years. So been spending a lot of time with them. But I did stream last night. And we did have a beautiful trade, as you can see this one right in front of you on EUR USD. I'll show you. I did manage to upload a TikTok video late last night of this trade. So this is it here. I did end up taking around about 16 pips. And then I closed the trade. I was going for 20 pips, but it was 30 seconds to 1 a.m. and I don't trade after 1 a.m. So I decided to take the 16 pip profit around about $250, as you can see right there. So yeah, decided to take it just before that 1 a.m. candle opened, before the hourly candle opened. And you can see I took it around here somewhere, and then price would have came back and hit my break even stops anyway, but then reversed and hit my full take profit. But I did take my profits literally right there as 16 pips. So that was that trade. And there was no trades on GJ last night. I did have another trade on Euro USD right here last night as well, but it ended up being a losing trade for around about 10 pips. So it was a very small loss. So that was that right there, pushed down and then hit my stop loss and then reverse. So the trade idea was correct. My direction was correct, but it just didn't want to drop at that moment, pull back a little bit and then ended up dropping. I was going to re-enter on the break of the low wicks right there, but didn't end up doing that. And then actually caught the trade over here, which was very nice. So yeah, that was that on Euro USD, and there wasn't any trades last night on GJ because I was looking for buys, but there was no real entries here for buys for me. So yeah, looking at tonight, or now, like today on GJ, I was looking at some potential buys here, but price did just spike out of the previous daily lows, the tiniest bit. So I was potentially looking at buys. I didn't end up entering them above this level because obviously I would have been triggered in right there, and that would have been a losing trade at that point. But I haven't taken that. Price has created a support in here on GJ. So I am looking at buys. I was tempted to take buys here above this level, like right now ish, but yeah, not sure about that. So not going to take these. I'll wait for this next 4-hour candle, or maybe I'll wait around about 40 minutes for London session to open, and I'll see where it's at right then. But mainly at the moment, currently, I am looking at buys to continue this overall, trend to the upside. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. So if price starts breaking below these levels right here, then I'll be looking for sells below 173.36. If not, I will be looking at buys, but I will need some probably in the next 4-hour candle. But I will also keep you guys updated on that on my Twitter, and I will be live tonight on Twitch to live trade. See if we can catch any trades then. So again, definitely check that out. So yeah, sells here on GJ below 173.36, and buys I'm not too sure just yet. I'll wait for this next 4-hour candle to close in the next 2 or so hours, and then I'll see where price is at, and then I'll look to take buys maybe mid London to New York Open. But you can see price is actually coming down quite heavily here. So could be good potential setup for sales here, like I said, below this level. So definitely keep an eye on that, and I will be updating that on my Twitter if I do end up taking this trade. And Euro USD, again, looking at sales at some point, because we do have this. If we have a look at the daily perspective right here, these green boxes and red boxes, these are daily candles within these 50-minute time frames, right? So this right here, we can see that during this day we broke previous daily lows and respected previous daily highs, and then yesterday we respected previous daily highs and broke daily lows. So we are creating that downward structure. So as long as we don't break daily highs up here, yesterday's highs, which is all the way up here, then I will be looking for sales, and that's probably going to come again within this next 4-hour candle. And I'll be potentially looking at sales below 0.99004. What news is this? Some high impact news, but I'm not too worried about that. So I will be waiting for price to make a resistance somewhere, and then start selling off, and I'll look for my sales at some point. Again, it's best to just tune into the live stream tonight to see where I'm at this point, because there's no setups here for London Open within the next 40 minutes as of yet. Usually if there is a setup, it would be presenting itself by now, but it hasn't. So my next sales will probably come within this next 4-hour candle, or tonight for New York session when I'll be live streaming. So yeah, that is that. Euro USD, looking at sales, not looking at buys at all today. Only sales at some point if price creates a resistance and starts selling off. I will look to enter them. And GJ, again, looking at sales below 170.334, or buys in the next 4-hour candle potentially above 170.999 ish at this point. So yeah, but potentially we could be getting some sales coming in here pretty soon, because this candle has dropped off pretty heavy and is selling off. So that could be getting ready for London Open in the next 40 minutes. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on that. That is it. So I will be live tonight on Twitch. The links are in the description below. Two streams in a row now. We've had some really good trades. On Friday, we had I had GJ buys where I made was it like $350 or something like that on stream, live on stream. I took that trade live. That was around about 30 pips. And then last night we had Euro USD sales for 16 pips, and I made I was around about $250. So yeah, trade streams have been awesome. Streams growing really well. We've got affiliate now. Had my first affiliate stream the other day. Yeah, it's going amazing. Heaps of people coming through now, you know. So now with affiliate, we're going to continue to grow that. We've got a lot more options now with affiliate. So yeah, it's exciting stuff, exciting times. If you're not following the Twitch channel and the stream, definitely go and follow that. Check that out. But yeah, that is that. So yeah, keep an eye on the markets, and I will be live tonight, and I will be updating on my Twitter page if I do take any trades for London session. So definitely go follow those pages and my Twitch. Keep up to date with everything, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.